Meaning of deficiency.
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 Deficiency. Deficiency refers to a situation where there is an inadequate amount or quality of something required for proper functioning, growth, or development. In terms of human health, deficiency can result in a range of negative consequences, such as reduced immune function, cognitive impairment, and increased risk of chronic diseases. Nutrient deficiencies, such as vitamin or mineral deficiencies, are common examples. Socioeconomic deficiencies, such as lack of access to education or healthcare, can also have significant impacts on individuals and communities. Ultimately, deficiencies can hinder progress and limit potential, reinforcing the importance of identifying and addressing them.